Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the Ion Pathfinder. So let's get it open. First we have some manuals. Yeah, don't really need those. Right, the power cable right here. This must be the mic in this box here. Yep, and there's the mic. So it has the charging cable right here to charge the unit, auxiliary cord here, and the mic. So let's get the actual unit out. Ready? Oh boy, this can go over there. So it's covered in plastic, and I'll grab my trusty plastic opener to get the job done. Do that to the side and put my trusty plastic cutter over here. So here is the Ion Pathfinder. This is like heavy duty and really ruggedy looking. Looks like you would take this on like some kind of like event involving ruggedness and rugged people and all around rugged things. Just like my shirt. You gotta be real and rugged. So the Pathfinder features a very rugged design. It has nice handles, very sturdy handles right here. And overall it looks like a very tough build and very high quality. Alright, so you have this little cover on the charging port, which is good because this system is water resistant. This is what is one of the main features for this version, is that it's built to be water resistant. And you also have these other ports here for charging, and it's really good because it keeps a lot of dust or water, and not only water but also dust and pests. And our problem with our last unit was that when you have little kids that would like to stick little things into little holes and everything, this is a good way to protect those. So let's turn on the unit right now. Oh, you have to hold it. It also features the lights, just like the Block Rocker Max model. So I'm guessing this is just one light. You also have the changing lights. It's like that, it'll just cycle through a bunch of colors, and changing lights. It'll just change to whatever it wants to change to. So say you want to save this station right here. If you want to save it, you just hold down the preset that you want to save it on. So I'll save on 2. And then it'll flash save real quick. And then now you save that station. So you can go quickly onto your station, just like that. And you'll have your station saved. And I'm going to test out the mic real quick. So the mic is right here. You just plug it into the mic input. Just turn it on. And hello, just put it up. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, turn up the master volume too. Haha, I have to turn on the master volume and the mic volume. So you just gotta turn the mic volume way up and the master volume way up, and then now we're up and kicking with the mic. Yeah, so this is the mic. It's pretty loud. Just like the Ion Block Rocker Max. This has a really high quality sound for the mic too, so you can use this at events or whatever you're using your mic for karaoke and all that stuff. So you can still talk while the radio's going. Should be the same for the Bluetooth, but yeah, you can change it like that. And also with the lights, there's a setting on here that it can react to noise. So you watch here. So as you can see, the lights react to the noise here. Like as I'm talking, this light is changing. It's pretty cool. Using the Bluetooth on the Pathfinder, it's pretty simple to set up. All you do is turn your Bluetooth on, you press scan, and you just search for Pathfinder. And once it's connected, you can go over to your music and start playing. There you go, and you can it's not controlled from a mic volume, it's controlled from master volume. And you can also control it from your phone. I am the sea on a moonless night, calling for. So I can control it straight from my phone, or I can control it from the system itself. Okay, so what's also cool is that you can also control the previous and next song from the unit too. So if you press forward, it'll go straight to the next song. Press back, goes to the previous song. So that's really handy if you're not always near your phone. And of course, pause and play. So it's really handy, this Bluetooth method, that you can control it on your phone and on the unit itself. And of course, say your phone or MP3 player or whatever doesn't have Bluetooth, you can just use the auxiliary cord and just plug it into your phone. There you go. And this is like one of the most advanced things that this stereo has ever come out with, because you know there's some phones out there that don't even have this thing. So you know, this is already a step up. What's also cool about this speaker is that it has 100-hour batteries, so you can use some of that battery to charge your phone. That has a USB here, so any phone with that charges through USB is able to charge here. Okay, so this model also has the telescopic handles. So it has two sizes, right there and right there. So whatever suits you the best, and that's a really cool addition. And these are the wheels on the Ion Pathfinder, and it seems like a very heavy duty and almost like off-roading type wheels right here. And pretty much you can just pull, push, drag, or whatever you want to do to transport this portable speaker to wherever you're going. And since it's water resistant, you can even bring it to a pool. You can have people splash water on it, and hopefully it won't die. It's water resistant, so yeah. Alright, and on the sides of the unit we also have these big, nice, sturdy handles to carry the speaker. It's different from the last model we had because this one stick out. The last model, it kind of was in the unit, so pretend there's holes right here. You would actually carry it and it would be lifted up like this. I don't know if it's good or bad, but it's a different design and it's pretty good and pretty sturdy. But overall, it's good. Another difference with this model is that it doesn't have that tray that goes here. And the last model had a little bit more of a dip. This is kind of like very, very shallow. Yeah, it's whatever. It's not a big deal. It's okay. Alright, and another cool thing with this speaker is that you can be playing music and you have a mic. So it's like karaoke night. When you this who girl cause the cry, Carolina. When I have you, I am a winner. But I see you ain't here. I see you ain't here. I see you ain't here. My pretty brown idea. That's how the mic works, and you know, endless possibilities with this music and microphone combination. So in conclusion, the Ion Pathfinder is a really good system. It improves a lot on what the last unit we had didn't have, and does everything really well. And it's well built and sturdy and rugged look from the last one. The last one was kind of more sleek, but this one feels a lot more heavy duty and just great and higher quality overall. It has the radio, the mic aux input, the carrying handles, the light bar, the rechargeable battery that's lasts for about 100 hours, which is a really long time. A USB charging port, and the improvement on the wheels and the dragability of this entire unit. The addition of the water resistance with these little covers on all of these ports here make this a very great speaker, and it's highly recommended from all of us here on the channel. So just a quick recap, all of these new features like the covers on here and the whole water resistance-ness of this whole thing make this really cool. And to also make it clear, this is water resistant, not waterproof. You can't throw this entire speaker into a pool or the ocean and expect it to work.
It's only water resistant. It could probably be out in the rain and it won't break or anything. Also, the 100-hour battery is really cool.
So thank you guys for watching this unboxing / review for the Ion Pathfinder. It's a big improvement over the Ion Blockworker Max, the one we had before, with the water resistance and the addition to these little covers on the USB ports, and also the ruggedness build of the unit. It's really good. If you want to see the review for the Ion Blockworker Max, check the description box below. If you want to see more reviews and unboxings and all stuff like that, just subscribe and like our videos and share our videos and all that jazz, and we'll be making more of these. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and catch you later.